The following program is a paid presentation for the SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process and is brought to you by SonoBello.
Today's program is about a company that is literally changing the shape of America. SonoBello has developed the Tri-Sculpt process, an advanced medical procedure that removes fat and contours your body. Look, putting on a few extra inches wasn't your fault. It could simply be your genetics or metabolism. No matter how much you diet or exercise, you just can't lose that ugly fat. We live in a world where there are also more fast food restaurants than ever. Now your clothes are tight and it's becoming harder to feel good about the way you look. With over 70 million Americans overweight, you're not alone. Finally, there's a real solution. With the SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process, you can get rid of the fat right from the problem areas where you want the fat removed. No matter what body parts you want to sculpt, SonoBello has the answer for you. There are no gimmicks, no pills. This is a real solution. The results speak for themselves. Take a look.
If you're a man or woman looking to reduce fat from your legs, arms, belly, or chin, or anywhere on your body, now there's an advanced process to erase fat right from targeted areas. Imagine seeing a new and improved body after just one visit. That's what SonoBello patients have already done, and you can too. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure that reduces fat in targeted areas with just one office visit. Everyone has an area on their body that they want to improve. So what's yours? No matter what body area you want to sculpt, SonoBello has an answer for you. Now it's possible to get rid of the fat in an effective and affordable way.
SonoBello gave me a body that I never dreamt I would have.
Call SonoBello to see what they can do for you. The call is free, the information is free, and the consultation is free. SonoBello has several financing options to help you take advantage of this terrific procedure. Call now to get a free brochure and more information about this amazing procedure. There is no obligation. You have absolutely nothing to lose except unwanted fat. It's your life. Why not live it beautifully? Call today.
I've battled with my weight my entire life. I've tried diets, I've tried several different diets, but I could never get the weight off. I was at work one day and I heard SonoBello on the radio. I called them actually immediately as soon as I heard the commercial. I went to see them same day, which I went as soon as I got off work and I talked to a consultant. When I left there, I called my husband immediately. I told him how I was treated and I walked back in the office and made an appointment right away to have it done. I will be 50 in 2 weeks, and I can put on a bikini now and actually walk beside my 2 daughters and feel just as good about myself as they do.
After almost 30 years in the business of plastic surgery, I can tell you in all honesty that there are a lot of people who have concerns about whatever in their appearance. They all go through a process of, should I go in and see about this? And they all have to get to a point where they realize that the consultation is not the surgery. And that's when they come in and they start to get comfortable and we can start to talk to them about it, and that's when they really start to relax and decide whether this is going to work for them or not.
What I like to emphasize to patients is that liposuction is not a cure for obesity. It is the perfect procedure for somebody who has unwanted bulges. It's definitely a cure for bulges.
My problem areas were always in my midsection, and I worked out at the gym. I'm a very active person, and I didn't feel like I was getting the results that my efforts that I was putting in. So when I thought about doing SonoBello, I went and had my consultation, and I realized immediately this is not a weight loss procedure, it's a body shape change, and that's what I was looking for, and I can't believe the difference. I can wear swimsuits that I would never have worn before. I can shop for different styles of clothing. As a woman, it has given me inner confidence that I did not have before. It's helped me realize that I do look good, that I do look amazing. You look in the mirror and you're like, gosh, I look great. But then when you go back and you look at your before pictures, you really realize what life used to be like. And it's just different today. I love it.
Those amazing results are thanks to a medical breakthrough that's transforming the lives of people just like you. If you'd like your fat to disappear, you're watching the right program. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure that removes the fat without the extensive downtime or costs of old-fashioned procedures. SonoBello has been featured in newspapers, magazines, and covered by news networks like NBC, CBS, ABC, and Fox. You may have also seen SonoBello on Good Morning America. Just about everyone has a problem area they'd like to get rid of. For women, it might be the belly, hips, or arms. For men, it could be those dreaded love handles or the fatty tissue that over time has built up in the chest. Think about how you'll feel when you're able to lose the fat and see your body transform.
I always had a lack of confidence in my body as far as the shape. I didn't have a shape at all, actually, and I thought there was time to do something about it, and I did. I looked it up and made the phone call and got the appointment, went in and had the work done, and now I have a lot of confidence now. When I look in the mirror, I see confidence, I see sexy, I see myself again.
After having children and, I'm approaching 45, it just, it happens. I think it's a natural thing that happens with women. The fat just started collecting. The deciding factor for me was some of the stress I experienced over the years, and I had just started not looking like myself and was taking its toll on me. And I wanted to make a change. So since the inside and the outside wasn't coming together, I finally made a decision to just do something about it. And the results have been really good. Earlier this year, I was invited to a wedding in August in Mexico, and I was able to wear my bikini, and I think I wore the bikini the whole time I was in Mexico, and I tried not to put any clothes on, literally.
I would look in the mirror and be like, that's not me. I need to do something about it, about my weight and all the unwanted fat that I did not want on my body. Once I got there, I was so nervous about the whole thing, and afterwards I was actually very surprised about how quickly it was, and I saw results right away. So it makes me feel very comfortable with myself, and I'm actually happier now. And now my husband loves to take me shopping because he tells me all the time that I look beautiful and very sexy.
The Tri-Sculpt process is a paradigm shift in the science of fat reduction. Imagine how incredible you feel when you look in the mirror and see the body you had 10 or 20 years ago. Now you can turn back the hands of time and make that dream a reality. When we come back, you'll meet more of the people who've had their bodies transformed by SonoBello. Here's how to find out more.
If you're a man or woman looking to reduce fat from your legs, arms, belly, or chin, or anywhere on your body, now there's an advanced process to erase fat right from targeted areas. Imagine seeing a new and improved body after just one visit. That's what SonoBello patients have already done, and you can too. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure that reduces fat in targeted areas with just one office visit. Everyone has an area on their body that they want to improve. So what's yours? No matter what body area you want to sculpt, SonoBello has an answer for you. Now it's possible to get rid of the fat in an effective and affordable way.
It was probably the easiest thing I've ever done. I think that's why I wish I had done it a long time ago. It was gone in a day.
Call SonoBello to see what they can do for you. The call is free, the information is free, and the consultation is free. SonoBello has several financing options to help you take advantage of this terrific procedure. Call now to get a free brochure and more information about this amazing procedure. There is no obligation. You have absolutely nothing to lose except unwanted fat. It's your life. Why not live it beautifully? Call today.
Today we're learning about the breakthrough medical process for targeted fat removal, and now you can remove unwanted fat from specific areas on your body in an affordable way. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is different than old-fashioned methods. It's done as an in-office procedure within one of our SonoBello state-of-the-art centers across the country. SonoBello exclusively performs this remarkable Tri-Sculpt process. That's all they do, nothing else. That's why SonoBello has become a leader in body contouring.
Repeating the same procedure over and over again means that one can only get better at it. So just the sheer volume of cases that we do, by definition, means that we are going to get very, very good at doing this procedure. Plus, we see patients of all different types. They're not all the same. One size doesn't fit all. And so we get very good at determining what we need to do for each individual patient to give them the superior results.
Well, when I was on Baywatch, I was 18 years old, 19 years old, so I really didn't know anything about working out. It's as I got older and, you know, you don't have the time to devote or maybe even the energy to working out, then, you know, a few problem areas arise. But I chose SonoBello because that's specifically what they deal with. That's all that they deal with. They're experts in that field. And, you know, that's what I want. I don't want somebody who, you know, does 50 million different procedures and, you know, maybe they're good at one, great at one, and like not so good at the other. That's a gamble I wasn't really willing to take. So knowing that SonoBello, that is their thing, I had all the confidence.
Only a woman who's given birth would know what it's like to have that figure and then give birth and your body completely changes. I know most people wouldn't think it was a really big deal, but to me, the problem area was so bothersome. I was such a perfectionist in the way I looked before my baby, and I just wanted my pre-baby body back. So I called them, and they were so wonderful and friendly and bubbly, and I just made an appointment. If I would have known it was that as easy as it was, I would have jumped on it a long time ago. I feel like I've finally got my body back. I look in the mirror and I feel like myself again.
At SonoBello, we know you want to look your best on the outside. That's why we help people feel more beautiful every day with our fat removal process. But it's amazing to see how that outward body transformation can change how you feel on the inside. The experience for some is exhilarating. So many lives have been energized with this revolutionary process.
My problem areas have always been in my inner and outer thighs. I've always had an issue wearing shorts or bathing suits in the summertime. I've always been really athletic, so it was really hard for me to grasp the fact that I had these problem areas. When I actually went in for the consultation and got to see kind of an idea of what my body could look like, I decided, you know, I just need to do it for myself. It makes me feel better. I feel more comfortable and confident, and honestly, I never thought that I would get the results that I got. It gives me a little bit more motivation to kind of stay on track. I do like to take my dogs out for runs and walks in the park, and it makes me feel more comfortable and confident whenever I do go out in public to go swimming with them or to go for a jog. I can wear a cute little tank top, or I can wear cute little shorts now and not have to be self-conscious about it.
So I had a patient that had lost about 40 to 60 pounds before she came to see me. We did the procedure, we did her abdomen, hips, and waist, and that really got her excited and motivated. She went on to lose 40 more pounds, and she looked incredible.
Before, when I looked in the mirror, I lacked confidence. I didn't see the person that I wanted to see. And, you know, being a mother of two, I wanted to get my body back, my shape back, my life back, my confidence back, my sexy back, and I did that with SonoBello. I used to be a size 6 dress, now I'm a size 3, and I love it. I love it, absolutely love it.
I have always had the Buddha belly, the tummy, the muffin top. I was always insecure about it. I just always wanted it gone. I went to a consultation with them, and it fit. It was perfect timing, and I went and had the procedure done. After the procedure, I have more energy, I get out, I'm more active, I feel like I'm better at my activities, I'm more balanced.
I was about 80 pounds heavier at one point, so after losing some weight, that's why I began to look into SonoBello, was because I just couldn't get rid of pockets of fat. And so one day, just out of the blue, I called, they had me in the next day. The consultation went great, I brought a friend with me. They did all my measurements, and I'm doing things that I never thought I would do. I would have never done 4 years ago. I'm going to the gym, I'm getting outdoors, I'm going hiking, I'm swimming a lot more. I tried new things. I've tried a lot of things that I never thought that I would be able to physically do.
Now, I know you might be thinking, if this really works, it has to be expensive. Well, get ready for a big surprise. SonoBello has made this groundbreaking procedure affordable for most everyone, and financing is available. You owe it to yourself to find out more. Here's how.
If you're a man or woman looking to reduce fat from your legs, arms, belly, or chin, or anywhere on your body, now there's an advanced process to erase fat right from targeted areas. Imagine seeing a new and improved body after just one visit. That's what SonoBello patients have already done, and you can too. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure that reduces fat in targeted areas with just one office visit. Everyone has an area on their body that they want to improve. So what's yours? No matter what body area you want to sculpt, SonoBello has an answer for you. Now it's possible to get rid of the fat in an effective and affordable way.
The way my clothes fit now is great. It's form-fitting now, and I'm a lot more confident.
Call SonoBello to see what they can do for you. The call is free, the information is free, and the consultation is free. SonoBello has several financing options to help you take advantage of this terrific procedure. Call now to get a free brochure and more information about this amazing procedure. There is no obligation. You have absolutely nothing to lose except unwanted fat. It's your life. Why not live it beautifully? Call today.
At 50 years old and having this procedure done, it's just incredible to be able to have my body the way it was meant to be.
Across the board, I feel completely refreshed. I feel like a new person. I feel like 5 years has been taken off.
I feel like I have more motivation to eat better, to exercise. I want to put on my workout wear. It looks awesome on. I eat healthier. I've really, taken this as a change for the better.
Why wait months to lose fat when SonoBello can help right now? Listen, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So as you meet some of our success stories, remember that these are real people just like you who saw real results. Take a look for yourself and then imagine how you'll look after your fat is gone.
Never in my wildest dreams did I think that at my age with grown children and even a grandchild that I would be squeezed into a size 0 pair of jeans or a size 2 dress. I say I'm happy in my skin. I actually like my skin. And I'm happy in my body. It's a full package. It's a full package, and when I turn around, this is me. It's all me. It's a better me. It's a happier me, and what more could you ask for?
Well, being on Baywatch and being in a bathing suit night after night on people's television, you're sort of stuck in that forever. So it's like so many things that I do now, even as an adult, and it's like 20 years later, they still want you in a bathing suit, and you don't look like you did 20 years ago. And they're like, you don't look the same. It's like, well, no kidding. 2 kids and 20 years later, you're not gonna look the same. So it's just, it's sort of helped me to feel confident, to be able to put the bathing suit on again, and look a little bit more like I did 20 years ago.
In the past, the only way to lose fat was hard workout regimens or starving yourself. Surgery or traditional liposuction was an option, but it was very expensive, invasive, and very painful, and sometimes took months to recuperate. SonoBello is different. The Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure to remove unwanted fat. Today, with SonoBello, you can erase years of accumulated unwanted fat.
One visit for the consultation and then one visit for the procedure is all it took to completely take care of all of my problem areas.
I think sometimes you forget. And as I was doing a direct comparison to my body today to my body then, a huge astronomical difference. I just want to thank SonoBello. I am so glad that I get to walk around looking like this. I get to wear swimming suits that look cute when I put them on. I don't have to be that particular with clothing, and everything just looks great.
If you're a man or woman looking to reduce fat from your legs, arms, belly, or chin, or anywhere on your body, now there's an advanced process to erase fat right from targeted areas. Imagine seeing a new and improved body after just one visit. That's what SonoBello patients have already done, and you can too. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure that reduces fat in targeted areas with just one office visit. Everyone has an area on their body that they want to improve. So what's yours? No matter what body area you want to sculpt, SonoBello has an answer for you. Now it's possible to get rid of the fat in an effective and affordable way.
SonoBello gave me a body that I never dreamt I would have.
Call SonoBello to see what they can do for you. The call is free, the information is free, and the consultation is free. SonoBello has several financing options to help you take advantage of this terrific procedure. Call now to get a free brochure and more information about this amazing procedure. There is no obligation. You have absolutely nothing to lose except unwanted fat. It's your life. Why not live it beautifully? Call today.
Have you put on a few extra inches that you just can't get rid of? It could be your metabolism or your genes or a variety of other reasons. You don't have to worry any longer. We have great news for you. SonoBello offers a medical procedure that lets you shed fat with one in-office procedure. The results are real. Using multiple technologies, the SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is a proven method to reduce fat.
The Tri-Sculpt process is a relatively simple outpatient technique that we are very good at doing because we do it all the time. Everything is done under local anesthesia. The patients are wide awake. They're talking to me, having a conversation during the procedure. I can ask them to move a certain way so that I can get the fat from a certain area better. The equipment that we use to remove the lion's share of the fat uses very, very small hollow tubes to aspirate the fat. It's relatively non-invasive, and because we're dependent upon the skin's ability afterwards to tighten up, we use a laser to stimulate collagen formation and move that process along to give superior results.
A wonderful thing about SonoBello is I got an email, a weekly email, telling me this is exactly what you should be expecting, like just right on point. So I never had any concern about what I was going through.
The crew at SonoBello, they had called a couple times within the next few days, just checking and making sure I was doing well. I believe I went in a week after for my post-appointment. They're incredible. They're incredible to work with. They take awesome, awesome care of you.
We were only at my house for probably an hour and a half to 2 hours, and the doctor that performed the procedure actually called me to see how I was doing, which I thought was awesome.
The people you're seeing are excited to share their stories of how their results have affected their lives. But remember, SonoBello maintains the highest level of confidentiality. All SonoBello centers are fully accredited by the Accreditation Association for Ambulatory Healthcare. This is a procedure that you decide to do for yourself because you're worth it. Best of all, the SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is more affordable than ever. SonoBello even offers financing with easy low monthly payments. Now is the time to invest in yourself and have the body you've dreamed about. After your procedure, we know you'll be thrilled by the results.
Oh my gosh, I've seen a lot of difference in my body. I could not and did not wear a bathing suit prior to this. And 6 weeks after the procedure, we went to Florida and I was in a bikini. So I'm very happy with my body.
SonoBello physicians are highly trained, so you can feel comfortable knowing that you're seeing a specialist no matter which SonoBello center you visit.
When you approach areas of the body, you really look at not only the overlying fat or the contours of the body, but you look at the anatomy below, which I think makes the outcome fabulous for the patient.
To do this well, it's important that you're an artist and have an artistic background. And part of that has to do with being able to think in 3 dimensions. It's important to be able to blend areas together. So when I see a patient for the first time, I usually encourage them to go ahead and get their waist and their hips on when they're doing their abs, because when we blend them together, we can really achieve some incredible results.
Have you ever wondered what you would look like if you could reduce the fat around your hips or thighs or reduce the bulge in your tummy? Well, now you can with SonoBello. No matter what body part you want to sculpt, SonoBello is the answer for you. Stay with us. We'll be showing you some more real-life transformations right after you learn where to call to have the body you've wanted.
If you're a man or woman looking to reduce fat from your legs, arms, belly, or chin, or anywhere on your body, now there's an advanced process to erase fat right from targeted areas. Imagine seeing a new and improved body after just one visit. That's what SonoBello patients have already done, and you can too. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure that reduces fat in targeted areas with just one office visit. Everyone has an area on their body that they want to improve, so what's yours? No matter what body area you want to sculpt, SonoBello has an answer for you. Now it's possible to get rid of the fat in an effective and affordable way.
It was probably the easiest thing I've ever done. I think that's why I wish I had done it a long time ago. It was gone in a day.
Call SonoBello to see what they can do for you. The call is free, the information is free, and the consultation is free. SonoBello has several financing options to help you take advantage of this terrific procedure. Call now to get a free brochure and more information about this amazing procedure. There is no obligation. You have absolutely nothing to lose except unwanted fat. It's your life. Why not live it beautifully? Call today.
Do you have unwanted fat on your thighs or hips? How about that dreaded extra weight on your stomach, back, or chin? Now there's a procedure that can eliminate that unwanted fat in an affordable way. Every SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is customized for each individual based on their areas of concern.
The difference between men and women in liposuction is in the areas of our body that tend to concern us the most. For women, it's the lower abdomen, hips, and thighs. For men, they complain more about those dreaded love handles on their abdomen and sometimes on their chest. So in addressing these areas, the Tri-Sculpt process is a wonderful way to eliminate these bulges.
Wow, everybody compliments me. I have friends from elementary. Sometimes they come up to me, they're like, I didn't recognize you. Is that you? I'm like, yes. They're asking me all the time, how'd you lose all that weight? I tell them that I went to SonoBello and it was so worth it.
I was very happy with my results, and the compliments came, from work and other people, family members. Every morning, I get out of the shower, or at night, I look in the mirror and it's a completely different body.
SonoBello has given me a new body, one that I've never seen before.
Exercise didn't get rid of my muffin top or my square waist, but in one visit, SonoBello did.
The advice I would give to somebody that really wants to do something about their body, I would say call SonoBello. It was the best phone call I've ever made, and I would do it again in a second.
You've seen the results from just some of our success stories. Now imagine when it's you celebrating your new body. SonoBello lets you eliminate fat in your chin or chest, arms or thighs, your belly or back. We know you may have additional questions. That's why we want to send you some more information. The call is free, the brochure is free, and the consultation is free. You owe it to yourself to find out more, and there is no obligation. You really can have a slimmer, sexier body. It's time to create a new beginning. A whole new life can start for you right now. This is your last chance. Call now for a free consultation. I know you'll be thrilled you did.
If you're a man or woman looking to reduce fat from your legs, arms, belly, or chin, or anywhere on your body, now there's an advanced process to erase fat right from targeted areas. Imagine seeing a new and improved body after just one visit. That's what SonoBello patients have already done, and you can too. The SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process is an advanced medical procedure that reduces fat in targeted areas with just one office visit. Everyone has an area on their body that they want to improve. So what's yours? No matter what body area you want to sculpt, SonoBello has an answer for you. Now it's possible to get rid of the fat in an effective and affordable way.
The way my clothes fit now is great. It's form-fitting now, and I'm a lot more confident.
Call SonoBello to see what they can do for you. The call is free, the information is free, and the consultation is free. SonoBello has several financing options to help you take advantage of this terrific procedure. Call now to get a free brochure and more information about this amazing procedure. There is no obligation. You have absolutely nothing to lose except unwanted fat. It's your life. Why not live it beautifully? Call today.
The preceding program was a paid presentation for the SonoBello Tri-Sculpt process and was brought to you by SonoBello.